Today I will show you 8 different devices, many of them you probably have not met yet. We'll start with such a folding table, which will be an excellent assistant for you in a small workshop, and which doesn't take much place in conditions of limited space. There is a compartment for small things in the table. There is also a shelf on which you can put all necessary tools. Due to the presence of holes, it can be very convenient and fast to fix workpieces with the help of clamps. Also there are buttons, which can be inserted into these holes. With the help of these thrusts and the clamp, it is convenient to fix the items in an upright position. If you insert it into the guide bolts, you will get an additional emphasis. In general, with a set of clamps and a table like this, it can be quite comfortable to perform a variety of work. Next we have a very original idea of a folding stand for hand tools. There are furniture guides in the design basis. The retainer holds the stand in the upper position. Neodymium magnets prevent dropping out of tools from their lodges. For gardeners, I think such a puller for fruit will be very useful. It has an indisputable advantage over its fellows, because it is absolutely free and easy to manufacture. I think it is not a problem for you to find a plastic bottle, a rope and a stick. 5 minutes and you can go to gather the apples. If you have a large crop, then the question arises, where to store it? There is an excellent decision, to make an apple juice. For purchased juicer, apples should be cut and cleaned. It takes much time and it is very tedious. But such a grater copes with the whole apples. Then we'll just have to press the obtained mass under pressure. As a result, we get a delicious natural juice and almost dry pomace. Such a mobile trolley is very useful for storing the tools, when for example, there is no space on the workbench or you have not it at all. After loading up the trolley with all necessary things, we get all the tools in one place at hand. Next we have another interesting idea of marking gauge design on the basis of plane. With the help of guides, a plane moves in 2 planes. Moving along the z-axis takes place by means of the elevator like this. There are the rulers for fine adjustment on each side of the device. Having a jigsaw, you can get such a cool, unusual grinding machine. That an abrasive doesn't move, but the workpiece moves itself. Here we have probably the most budget version of grinder. We used plastic bottles as rollers, which are set on the bearings. The belt roller's regulation is provided by wing bolts. Belt tension is adjusted with a bolt. Using a drill we trigger the construction. Write in the comments what you like most of these selections or what you do not like. Subscribe to the channel, there are many more homemade devices ahead. Links to the full video you can find in the description below the video.